Welcome to upscpractice.com. Today, let's take a look at the previous year's UPSC questions on history. Let's start with 1997 Ancient History. First question from 1997. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1. A. Gupta. Option B. Chandela. Option C. Chalukya. Option D. Pallava. List 2. Number 1. Badami. Number 2. Panamalai. Number 3. Khajuraho. Number 4. Deoghar. The correct answer is option A. A4, B3, C1, D2. That is Gupta, Deoghar, Chandela, Khajuraho, Chalukya, Badami, and Pallava, Panamalai. Next question from 1997. Which one of the following statements regarding Ashoka stone pillars is incorrect? Option A. These are highly polished. Option B. These are monolithic. Option C. The shafts of pillars is tapering in shape. Option D. These are parts of architectural structures. The correct answer is option D. These are parts of architectural structures. Ashoka stone pillars were meant to spread his Dhamma, not the part of architectural structure. Next question from 1997. Which one of the following scripts of ancient India was written from right to left? Option A. Brahmi. Option B. Nandnagari. Option C. Sharada. Option D. Kharosthi. The correct answer is option D. Kharosthi. The Kharosthi script was deciphered by James Prinsep 1799 to 1840 using the bilingual coins of the Indo-Greek period. Next question from 1997. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in the option A. Chando Gopanishad. Option B. Mundako Panishad. Option C. Kathopanishad. Or option D. Kenopanishad. The correct answer is option C. Kathopanishad. Kathopanishad is the conversation between Nachiketa and Yamraj, or the god of death. Nachiketa was a seeker and Yamraj was a guru. Next question from 1997. Milinda Panho is in the form of a dialogue between the king Menander and Buddhist monk. Option A. Nagasena. Option B. Nagarjuna. Option C. Nagabhatta. Or option D. Kumari Lavhatta. The correct answer is option A. Nagasena. Milinda Panho wasn't written by one person. It is a collected dialogue between the Indo-Greek king Milinda and the Buddhist sage Nagasena. Next question from 1997. Which one of the following edicts mentions the personal name of Ashoka? Option A. Kalsi. Option B. Rumindei. Option C. Special Kalinga Edict. Or option D. Maski. The correct answer is option D. Maski. Maski, Gurjara, Nettur and Udegolam inscriptions mention the personal name of Ashoka. The next question from 1997 shows a map. It shows 4 of the 16 Mahajanapadas that existed in ancient India. It asks, the places marked A, B, C and D respectively are ऑप्शन ए मत्स्य, सेडी, कोसाला, अंगा। और ऑप्शन बी सुरसेना, अवंती, वत्स, मगधा। और ऑप्शन सी मत्स्य, अवंती, वत्स, अंग। और ऑप्शन डी सुरसेना, सेडी, कोसाला, मगधा। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी मत्स्य, अवंती, वत्स, अंग. Matsya Mahajanapada comprised the present-day Jaipur, Bharatpur, Alwar area of Rajasthan. Avanti was one of the most important ones and its core area comprises present-day Ujjain district of Madhya Pradesh. Vatsa with its capital at Kausambi was another powerful Mahajanapada. Anga Mahajanapada was in the Gangetic Valley. Next question from 1997. In the Mahayana Buddhism, the Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara was also known as option A Vajrapani, option B Manjusri, option C Padmapani, or option D Maitreya. The correct answer is option C Padmapani. Avalokitesvara is a bodhisattva who embodies the compassion of all Buddhas. He was one of the more widely referred bodhisattvas in mainstream Mahayana Buddhism. Next question from 1997. The silver coins issued by the Guptas were called option A Rupaka, option B Karshapana, option C Dinara, or option D Pana. The correct answer is option A Rupaka. Rupaka was a silver coin of Gupta period. 16 Rupaka was equal to 1 gold coin. Next question from 1997. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1 is of authors and list 2 is of texts. List 1 author. A. Varahamihira, B. Vishakadatta, C. Sudraka, D. Bilhana. List 2 the texts. 1. Prabandha Chintamani, 2. Mritchakatikam, C. Brihat Samhita, 4. Devi Chandraguptam, 5. Vikramanka Deva Charita. The correct answer is option B A3, B4, C2, D5. That is Varahamihira is Brihat Samhita, Vishakadatta Devi Chandraguptam, Sudraka Mritchakatikam, and Bilhana Vikramanka Deva Charita. Varahamihira also wrote Panchasiddhantika. Vishakadatta also wrote Mudra Rakshasa. Next question from 1997. Which one of the following was a corporation of merchants in ancient India? Option A Chaturvedimangalam, option B Parishad, option C Ashtadiggaja, or option D Manigrama. The correct answer is option D Manigrama. Manigrama was a large, influential guild of South Indian merchants during the period of Western Chalukyan rulers in 10th to 12th century CE. Next question from 1997. The Badami rock inscription of Pulakeshin I is dated in the Saka year 465. If the same were to be dated in Vikrama Samvat, the year would be option A 601, option B 300, option C 330, or option D 407. The correct answer is option A 601. The Saka era started in 78 AD, while Vikram era started from 58 BC. So if we want to convert Badami rock inscription of Pulakesin I to Vikram era, it will be 465 plus 78 plus 58. That is 601 Vikram Samvat. So the correct answer is 601. Next question from Medieval History of 1997. After consolidating his power, Balban assumed the grand title of option A Tut-e-Hind, option B Kaiser-e-Hind, option C Zil-e-Ilahi, option D Din-e-Ilahi. The correct answer is option C Zil-e-Ilahi. The Persian court model influenced Balban's conception of kingship. He took up the title of Zil-e-Ilahi. Zil-e-Ilahi means shadow of God. Next question from Medieval History 1997. Head of military department under the recognized central machinery of administration during Akbar's reign was option A Diwan, option B Mir Bakshi, option C Mir Saman, or option D Bakshi. The correct answer is option B Mir Bakshi. He was the head of the military and intelligence department. He was not the commander-in-chief but was the paymaster general. All intelligence officers and news reporters reported to him. Next question from 1997. Assertion A. The sponsor and the most prominent figure of the Chishti order of Sufis in India is Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Reason are the Chishti order takes its name from a village Chishti in Ajmer. In the context of these two statements, assertion and reason, which one of the following is correct? Option A. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Option D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. The correct answer is option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. The Chishti order is a Sufi order within the mystic branches of Islam. The order was founded by Abu Ishaq Sami. Next question from 1997. Which one of the following pairs of composers in different languages and their works on the Mahabharata theme is correctly matched? Option A. Sarla Dasa, Bengali. Option B. Kasirama, Oriya. Option C. Tikkana, Marathi. Option D. Pampa, Kannada. The correct answer is option D. Pampa, Kannada. Pampa was a Kannada poet whose work reflected his philosophical beliefs. Next question from 1997. The medieval Indian writer who refers to the discovery of America is option A. Malik Muhammad Jayasi. Option B. Amir Khusrau. Option C. Ras Khan. Option D. Abul Fazl. The correct answer is option D. Abul Fazl. Abul Fazl refers to the discovery of America. Next question from Modern History 1997. Who among the following was associated with the suppression of thugs? Option A. General Henry Prendergast. Option B, Captain Sleeman. Option C, Alexander Burress. Option D, Captain Robert Pemberton. The correct answer is option B, Captain Sleeman, or also known as Captain William Sleeman. He was appointed by Lord William Bentinck to suppress the thugs. Next question from 1997 Modern History. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following? Number 1, Wood's Education Dispatch. Number 2, Macaulay's Minute on Education. Option 3. Number 3, the Sargent Education Report. Number 4, Indian Education or Hunter Commission. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 2143. Option B, 2134. Option C, 1243. Option D, 4213. The correct answer is option A, 2143. That is, first is Macaulay's Minute on Education, then Wood's Education Dispatch, then Indian Education or Hunter Commission, and then the Sargent Education Report. Wood's Dispatch was on 1854, Macaulay's Minute was on 1835, Sargent Education Report on 1944, and the Hunter Commission was on 1882. Next question from 1997 Modern History. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1, Mopla Revolt. B, Pabna Revolt. C, Eka Movement. D, Birsa Munda Revolt. List 2, number 1, Kerala. Number 2, Bihar. Number 3, Bengal. Number 4, Awadh. The correct answer is option A, A1, B3, C4, D2. Or Mopla Revolt is Kerala, Pabna Revolt is Bengal, Eka Movement is Awadh, Birsa Munda Revolt is Bihar. From the Indian National Movement, questions from 1997. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1, Butler Committee Report. B, Hartog Committee Report. C, Hunter Inquiry Committee Report. D, Muddiman Committee Report. List 2, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Number 2, relationship between the Indian state and the paramount power. Number 3, working of diarchy as laid down in the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Number 4, the growth of education in British India and potentialities of its further progress. The correct answer matching these lists is D, A2, B4, C1, D3. That is, the Butler Committee Report is relationship between the Indian state and the paramount power. Hartog Committee Report is the growth of education in British India and potentialities of its further progress. The Hunter Inquiry Committee Report is the Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. The Muddiman Committee Report is working of diarchy as laid down in the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. Next question from 1997. a graduate at 18, professor and associate director of the Sudharak at 20, secretary of the Sarvajanik Sabha and of the Provincial Conference at 25, secretary of the National Congress at 29, leading witness before an important royal commission at 31, provincial legislator at 34, imperial legislator at 36, president of the Indian National Congress at 39, a patriot whom Mahatma Gandhi himself regarded as his master. This is how a biographer describes: option A, Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya. Option B, Mahadev Govind Ranade. Option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. This statement relates to Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who was born on May 9, 1866 in Kotaluk, Maharashtra. Next question from 1997, Indian National Movement. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1. Events. A. Morley Minto reforms. B. Simon Commission. C. Chowri Chowra incident. D. Dandi March. List 2. Results. 1. Country-wise agitation. 2. Withdrawal of a movement. 3. Communal electorates. 4. Communal outbreaks. 5. Illegal manufactures of salt. The correct answer is option D, A3, B1, C2, D5. That is, Morley Minto reforms is communal electorates, Simon Commission is country-wise agitation, Chowri Chowra incident is withdrawal of a movement, Dandi March is illegal manufacture of salt. Morley Minto reforms took place in 1909, Simon Commission in 1927, Chowri Chowra incident in 1922, Dandi March in 1930. Next question from 1997. The Pune Pact, which was signed between the British government and Mahatma Gandhi in 1934, provided for: option A, creation of dominion status for India. Option B, separate electorates for the Muslims. Option C, separate electorate for the Harijans. Option D, joint electorate with reservation for Harijans. The correct answer is option D, joint electorate with reservation for Harijans. The Pune Pact was signed by Ambedkar on behalf of the depressed classes in September 1932. The pact abandoned separate electorates for the depressed classes, but the seats reserved for the depressed classes were increased both in provincial and state legislatures. Next question from 1997. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1. A. Surat split. B. Communal award. C. All-party convention. D. Purna Swaraj resolution. List 2. 1. 1929. 2. 1928. 3. 1932. 4. 1907. 5. 1905. The correct answer is B, that is A4, B3, C2, D1. That is Surat split on 1907, Communal Award on 1932, All-Party Convention on 1928, and Purna Swaraj Resolution on 1929. Next question from 1997. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer. List 1. A. Chittagong. B. Chittagong Armory Raid. B. Kakori Conspiracy. C. Lahore Conspiracy. D. Ghadar Party. Let's repeat list 1 one more time. A. Chittagong Armory Raid. B. Kakori Conspiracy. C. Lahore Conspiracy. D. Ghadar Party. List 2. Number 1. Lala Hardayal. Number 2. Jatin Das. Number 3. Surya Sen. Number 4. Ram Prasad Bismil. Number 5. Vasudev Phadke. The correct answer is option C, that is A3, B4, C2, D1. That is Chittagong Armory Raid, Surya Sen, Kakori Conspiracy, Ram Prasad Bismil, Lahore Conspiracy, Jatin Das, and Ghadar Party, Lala Hardayal. Next question from 1997. M.C. Setalvad, B.N. Rao, and Allardi Krishnaswamy Iyer were distinguished members of the option A. Swaraj Party, option B. All India National Liberation Federation, option C. Madras Labour Union, or option D. Servants of India Society. The correct answer is option D. Servants of India Society. The Servants of India Society was formed in Pune, Maharashtra on June 12, 1905 by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. All are related to this organization. Thank you very much for listening to this article on 1997 History UPSC questions. For more such content and articles, install the UPSC Practice app from the App Store.